3 billion tons vanish every second. Here's why. Quantum tunneling lets particles defy barriers, powering the sun's core. In 1928, George Gamow showed protons can tunnel through repulsive forces, fusing hydrogen into helium. This process releases energy, seen as sunlight, fueling life on Earth. Without tunneling, fusion wouldn't happen at the sun's temperature. Proof: solar neutrino detectors in Japan and the US catch the byproducts. The lesson: reality's deepest rules shape everything we see. Subscribe for daily mind benders. Comment your country.